Hi everyone, I'm Matthew John and welcome to the Market Pulse. Well, if we have a quick look at the auction clearance rate on the weekend, sitting at 77%, another fantastic weekend with auctions and a really high auction clearance rate, which has been pretty consistent now for the last 2 to 3 months. Another interesting thing that we did see in the month of September is that the prices, or the Melbourne median house price, did actually go up by 1.9%. So it was almost a 2% increase just in the month of September. So we are seeing that high auction clearance rate, which is now starting to transition into higher prices across the board, which we've been waiting to see for a couple of months now. And if we do look at the 28 days leading up to October the 6th, we did actually see a 15.2% decline in terms of new properties coming on the market. So this time last year, we did see over 15% more listings that were on the market, which we're not seeing this year. So that's obviously a big combination in terms of why we are seeing the increased competition at auctions, because plain and simply, there's just less options for buyers to choose from. And another factor to look at as well is if you are a buyer applying for a home loan or to try and get finance from the bank, at the moment, you've actually got almost a 15% higher borrowing capacity than what you would have if you did apply for a loan at the start of the year. So this is another factor that's increasing those prices, because buyers, again, are just able to borrow more money from the banks. The banks have loosened the screws a little bit and they have relaxed some of their lending criteria, which is making it a lot easier for buyers to get out in the market and to then go a little bit higher in terms of offers and bids, and that's pushing the prices up slightly from there. Now, if we have a look at the property of the week, I don't say this very often, but arguably I think this would be one of the best views that you will find in the western suburbs. 17 Smith Crescent in Footscray. It's 3 levels. It's got a fantastic view overlooking the Maribyrnong River, Footscray Park, and right over to the city. It's a fantastic opportunity, 3 beds, 3 baths, a couple of car spaces, and 3 levels as well, with a large flexible floor space at the rear with a gym or a home theatre. The world's your oyster with this one. So it is being auctioned off on November the 9th. If you do have some further interest, please contact us to arrange an inspection. We look forward to seeing you on next Market Pulse.